and today we are going to learn about what is MS Access and what is data, what is database and what is information and all. Okay? Everybody ready for learn today's lesson?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. And what is MS Access? Otherwise, what is Access? Today we are going to learn about this. MS Access is a database management system which was launched by Microsoft. Who launched Microsoft? Do you know who launched Microsoft? Bill Gates, right? We have already learned this lesson last theory classes. Okay? Okay, then MS Access is a database management system which was launched by Microsoft company. It is a part of Microsoft Suite and store data in this own format. MS Access, which is store data in its own format. Okay, so what is the definition of Microsoft Access is? Microsoft Access is a database management system. It is called DBMS also, and that combines the relational Microsoft database engine with a graphical user interface and software development tools. Okay, so that is the definition. Who can read the definition? What is database management systems? Who can read these things? Vijaya, please, can you read these things? These things. What is Microsoft?
Microsoft Access is a database management system DBMS that combines the relation Microsoft Jet database engine with a
graphical user interface and software development tools. Okay, very nice. And question number 2 is that what are the uses of MS Access? We have already learned. We operate the Microsoft Access also. Okay, we already create tables, we create queries, forms and all. So many templates also we can use in Microsoft Access, right? So same as in the question also, the question asks that what are the uses of MS Access? The uses are, what are the uses? MS Access can be used to develop application also, and also Microsoft Access, this software is generally used by data architects, software developers and power users. And also following are some major uses and of Microsoft Access. So there is the major uses. These are manage contact and bills, store data in the form of tables, and edit or customize them later as per the requirement of the user. It can be used to make our websites, and also comparing data or finding a relationship between the exciting data can be done using Access. So there are 2-3 types of main uses in Access software. We can create form also, multiple form also, student form also, making the queries also, preparing the database also. Because of Access, create the data in its own format. Okay, its own format. We have already known about that. Okay, so question number 3 is that what are the major components of the MS Access? Just right now we have already learned major usage of MS Access. And question number 3 is that what are the major components of, what is the components actually? Major components of MS Access is there. Who can Sorry, who can read the major components? Who can read? You can read the major component. Please read this one. Major component.
Tables,
Tables, queries, relationships, macros, forms, reports, and model. What types of things? What types of model we can create in MS Access? We can create in MS Access like that types of tables, queries, relationships, and macros, forms, report, and model. So many types of models are there we can create in MS Access. Everybody understand about this? Yeah. Okay. Let's go, and we are going to discuss about it. Question number 4. Question number 4 is that how many types of database are there in MS Access? And in MS Access, how many types of database are there? So we are going to learn it this. There is 2 types of database. One is flat file database, and second is what? Relational database. And who can read it? What is the meaning of flat file database means? You can read it. Read on this.
Flat file database when the data is stored in the form of a
Plain text file and cannot incorporate multiple tables. It cannot incorporate in multiple tables. That types of database is flat database, and relation database is, who can read? You can read relation database.
When the data is
Stored
in
form that the data items are related to on another. It supports multiple tables. It supports what? Multiple tables, and which organize the text in row and columns. So that types of database are there. There is 2 types of database. So question number 5 is there, and we are going to discuss about this. What is data? In Access, we create so many data and so many information. Some data and information we can create by using local templates also is there, simple templates also is there, and some information and data we can create in Excel's content, Excel's format content. So that is the main things, because this question is most important question. And if you are going to give the examination in everywhere, that time also even computer level 2, there are also this question asks. And if you are going to give the examination to any public service commission board of computer operator, that time also this question is most important. So many times these questions come is there. So that is all. What is data? Data is a collection of raw facts. Data is only collection of raw facts. What is data? Okay, data is only collection of raw facts and figure. Data is unorganized. It is not organized. It is non-organized, unorganized. Data is not so meaningful. Data is not so meaningful because of that is the raw material data. That is called what? Raw material data, and data is input, not it is final copy, not it is output. It is input, that is called data. One time I am going to read it again one time. Data is collection of raw facts and figure. Data is unorganized. Data is not so meaningful, and data is input. Data is raw material. Whatever you can say, like this. The definition of data is this. And question number 6 is that what is information? Information is process of data. This is the full process of data. this is meaningful data also we can say. And information is organized, oriented, and information is output, information is meaningful. I have already told you before sometime. Information is meaningful. This is full collective data, full meaningful data. This is full organized data. This is called information. So in today's class we have already completed so many we complete so many questions here right now. And also there is the difference between two different colors. Question number 5 above to question number this one. The above mentioned details will help on understand the basic of MS Access. Whatever we have learned it here today, this will understand the basic of Microsoft Access. What is Microsoft Access is that how we can create the tables, queries and forms, or single forms, multiple forms in MS Access. That types of all things we can understand in this lesson. And also we can understand, if we are going to learn it, that there is the difference between search engine and web browser. What is the difference between the Excel and MS Word? What is the difference between RAM and ROM? What is the difference between hardware and software? What is the difference between Notepad and Notepad? So many different related questions also important. So that's why guys, you can read carefully and revise all types of questions and understand that types of things, and we can success to operate MS Access data. Okay, thank you.